In the heart of a long-abandoned town stood an ancient bell tower, its towering silhouette piercing the dusky sky. Legend had it that the tower housed a secret, a spirit wandering within, silenced centuries ago but bound to its eerie confines. As the full moon cast its silvery glow, the bell rang unbidden, echoing through the crumbling streets, each toll carrying an anguished whisper. Those who dared to enter spoke of a chilling presence, an unseen force weaving through cobwebbed corners, watching with hollow eyes. One stormy night, a brave historian entered, seeking the truth behind the legend. The townsfolk waited, but he never emerged, leaving the bell's mournful song to continue serenading the shadowed past, echoing the unspoken horrors within its stone walls.